You're pumped in launching your SaaS and sell it globally to everyone, but unknowingly, you are now going to become a tax expert in more than 100 countries. Not something that was written in any founder playbook. Why is it such a nightmare if you're selling software or SaaS? There is tons of inconsistency across the regions, the states, the countries. It's unclear how your product is even categorized. In some, it can be like cloud solutions, subscriptions, and other digital goods, downloadable software. Every place has different definitions. Just to understand where you need to deal with taxes, it's a whole complex task by itself. You have to deal with these funny situations like Canada. They implemented a 2-month tax holiday and defined on 10 different categories that bring joy to the season. If you do want to comply with taxes in Canada, you have to think whether your software or SaaS actually bring joy to people in order to understand if you need to collect taxes or not, which is ridiculous stuff to deal with. You have different thresholds. In some places, it's based on number of transactions. In other places, based on volumes. And there are countries where there are no thresholds at all. In some countries, it's only from consumers. In others, it's both from businesses and consumers. In some countries, you need to issue a different invoice when it comes to the business. They can require the invoice to be in their local currency. So the UK, for example, even if you charge in US dollars, you have to issue an invoice that shows the equivalent of British pounds. And that even makes additional confusion because you can't really know how much money will be deducted from the buyer when they buy in US dollars and their account in British pounds. So there will be a mismatch for sure between the invoice and what they actually see on their statement. Know the implications, the exposures, the risks, what can happen to you, to your business, what you can do in order to eliminate those risks in your business.